Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made my own ring light box, so let's get right into it. You need a pencil, clear tape, ruler, scissors, knife. These are you cut into glass, and tissue. You need two desktop lights. It doesn't matter the brand as long as they're bright enough, as you want your product to show properly. Also, you need a box. You need to get a box big enough for the size box light you want, and ensure that you get the right lights as well. So what I'm going to do is just measure and cut. So I'm going to go with 7 centimeter wide. No, go with 8 centimeter wide. From here to here. And then over here, the same thing. And then I'm going to measure and cut. Just go along on this line. Let's cut out this. And then I need to do it with this side. And this side as well. 6 to 6 centimeter wide. I'm gonna measure that, and then we'll be right back. So guys, I have my lines here, and my lines here as well, which is 23.5 centimeter by 21.5 centimeter. Going along the line, you don't have to be perfect. For those who need the products that I use in this video, I will place a link in the description box with them, and also a ring light box if you choose to purchase your own. So the reason why I chose to make my own box is because I purchased one and it wasn't big enough, and I explained that in my previous video. So if you want to watch that video, watch it as well. I will place a link in the description box. So I'm going to cut these flaps off. I need the bottom one. So right here I have my tissue paper that is 20 inch by 20 inch. Take this one over here, like so. I'm gonna do this one, and then I will do the next off camera. So what I'm going to do is to just take it right here. Guys, here you have it. All my sides are already done, pretty much. Right here I got 2. There's the board, which is 2 inches by 28 inches. So that's 65.9 centimeter by 21.1 centimeter. So I'm going to put this one, let me see, on the inside. So this is pretty much how it's going to look. And then that's it. I'm going to add pieces of this one and just add it around the empty spots, like these sides, so when I'm taking my picture it doesn't show, but I don't have to. But if I want to, I can just cut it out and just glue it around it or tape it around, whichever one. So yeah guys, that's it. I'm going to come and showcase when I set them up. So this is only the 2 lights. This is how it look inside. Right here I'm just testing out the lights, how they look. This is without any of my lights in the house on. It's just the 2 desktop light that I show you guys. This is so bright. It is at night, so in the daytime it might look brighter than this with natural lights from outside. So thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting videos to come. Stay blessed, stay positive. Peace. I'm out.